little learners. Today let us play general knowledge game. Let me ask you 10 simple questions. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Let's go to our first question. How many days are there in a week? The answer is 7. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Who is the king of the jungle? Answer is lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle because they are powerful, strong, and symbols of courage. Next question. Which fruit is yellow and curved? Answer is banana. A banana is a sweet yellow fruit that grows in bunches and is easy to peel and eat, making it a great healthy snack packed with energy. How many legs does a spider have? Answer is spider. A spider is an arachnid, not an insect, and it always has 8 legs to help it walk and spin its web. Next question. What do bees make? Answer is honey. Honeybees use their straw-like tongues to collect sweet nectar from flowers, store it in a special stomach called a honey stomach, and then bring it back to the hive where other bees help turn it into thick, yummy honey. What is the color of a stop signal in traffic lights? The answer is red. Red means stop. Yellow means caution. Green means go. Which shape has 3 sides? Answer is triangle. A triangle is a fundamental shape in geometry. A polygon with exactly 3 straight sides and 3 angles. Next question. Which planet do we live in? Answer is the Earth. We live on Earth, a big round planet that is covered mostly by water and surrounded by air we breathe. Which vehicle flies in the sky? Answer is aeroplanes. An aeroplane is a type of aircraft with big wings that uses powerful engines to fly high up in the sky, carrying people and cargo quickly from one place to another. Next question. Which is the national bird of India? Answer is peacock. The peacock is India's beautiful national bird, famous for the male's huge, colorful tail feathers that spread out like a fan. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe for more learning videos like this.